Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to play games on Xbox Cloud with a VPN safely and legally. First, it's important to know that Xbox Cloud Gaming is available in certain regions only. Using a VPN does not make it legal to access it from countries where it isn't officially supported, so if it's not available in your area, the only legal way to play is to wait until it is. For regions where Xbox Cloud is officially supported, a VPN like NordVPN can help protect your connection, improve security, and keep your online activity private. To get started, you can use the link in the description to subscribe to NordVPN. Once you've created your account, download the app on your device, whether it's Windows, Mac, Android, or iPhone, install it, and sign in with your email and password. When you open NordVPN, you'll see a map and a list of available countries. You can connect to a server in a region where Xbox Cloud is officially available. The VPN encrypts your internet traffic and keeps your connection private, which is fully legal and safe. Then, open the Xbox Cloud Gaming website or app and sign in with your Xbox account. The VPN helps protect your connection, but it doesn't bypass any legal restrictions. If you experience connection issues, switching to another server in the same country usually fixes it. Always keep your VPN app updated for security. Remember, if Xbox Cloud Gaming isn't officially available in your region, using a VPN to try to access it would not be legal. Always check your local laws before playing. NordVPN is an easy and safe option to protect your connection while playing Xbox Cloud games where it's allowed. Use the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen to get started and enjoy a secure gaming experience online.